There are thousands of different products that you could be selling online right now. I went ahead and used our database, which analyzes millions of different trend signals. And in the past, products that we mention tend to blow up and often make millions. And in this video, I'm going to give you 15 trending products that you can sell. For each one, I'm going to tell you what the product is, what demographic it hits, and how much profit you could be stacking if you started to sell it. If you get any value from this video at all, consider hitting subscribe. It would absolutely make my day. With that, let's dive in. Collagen multibalms are trending because there is this big trend in beauty that revolves around fewer and better products. People are overwhelmed by these 10-step skincare routines, and they're looking for products that hydrate, that protect, and add that classic glow look in one application. It's part of this much larger trend towards multifunctional beauty products that simplify your routines while still feeling high-end. As for demographics, you've got women between 30 and 55 who are focused on anti-aging skincare and more simplified beauty routines. You're also going to want to target busy professionals and people who don't typically have time for these big 10-step routines. These are making over $325,000 per month, and they're roughly $22 per unit. So what that really means is that your profit when you sell this one would be around $8 per unit. What's important here is that low ticket, frequent purchases like this is the big overarching umbrella trend that we're seeing going into 2027. So brands who adapt and who sell these kinds of products are going to be the big winners. The Alice Layout Keyboard is trending because remote workers and gamers have turned these keyboards into lifestyle products, not just computer accessories. People are spending hours and hours at their desks, most of their lives at their desks. So they are going to invest more money into ergonomic accessories that improve their own body health. This one specifically is about wrist strain, so remember that for your marketing. This trend is also a great example of how these niche enthusiast communities evolve into these super profitable e-com categories, and they have passionate repeat buyers and a strong accessory ecosystem. For top demographics, you've got obviously working remote professionals, programmers, writers, people generally aged 25 to 50 who are looking for these ergonomic workspaces. You've also got mechanical keyboard enthusiasts, as these people are always looking for another one to add to their collection. These are just at the beginning of their trend cycles, only pulling in about 8K per month right now, but it's got massive growth and only a couple thousand searches per month. All signals point towards this one continuing to grow and make more money. PDRN stick balms are the latest explosion out of the massive K-beauty ecosystem. Everyone's looking for these clinical grade or scientifically advanced skincare products, and these convenient stick formats make that premium skincare way easier to use randomly throughout the day. So what does this tell you about the beauty market as a whole? Basically, that ingredient-led marketing is going to continue to outperform these generic beauty claims. You'll be selling these to women between 25 to 45 who actively follow K-beauty trends. It's also just for people who genuinely want clinical-grade skincare at home. These are already raking in close to $200,000 per month in revenue, and they are still very much on the rise. They're priced around $21 per unit, so on average, your takeaway is going to be between $7 to $8 maybe in profit. In 2027, people, even more than this year, are going to be treating their pets like human family members, and what better way to keep an eye on those members than using an AI pet camera? These can recognize barking and unusual behavior, give you a mic to talk to your pet while you're away, and some of them even dispense treats. The broader e-commerce trend here is that with AI, specifically in gadgets, they're only really going to succeed when they're solving an emotional problem, instead of just using AI as a marketing buzzword. Your demographics mainly are going to be millennials and Gen Z pet owners, so people between 25 to 45 who spend a decent amount of time working from an office or just away from home. In general, you're looking at just higher income pet parents who probably don't have kids. These are raking in over $170,000 per month right now, with an average price around $60. Obviously, some units are more high end, but if you're selling a $60 one, your profit's going to be around $17 per unit, so definitely go check this one out. Microneedle acne patches are part of this massive, growing e-commerce trend, which is dermatologist-inspired treatments at home. These are tiny dissolvable needles that deliver active ingredients deeper into your skin, so that makes the product feel more advanced than traditional hydrocolloid patches. Now, this growth really tells us that shoppers are willing to pay premium prices for products that promise professional level results while still being convenient enough to use at home. As for demographics, you're mainly going to sell this one to millennials and Gen Z, people probably between the ages of 16 to 35 who've got acne and are active on social media, which is a massive group of people. You've also got those beauty conscious consumers who are always looking for the next big thing. These are already making $330 $30,000 per month on Amazon with some pretty insane search growth. They're only about $11 per unit, so you can expect maybe $3.90 per unit in profit. That said, remember though, this is a repeat purchase product. These are already selling more than 20,000 units per month between those Amazon sellers. Go join them. Portable solar heaters are gaining traction because people are constantly looking for more ways to reduce energy costs while supporting outdoor lifestyles and, of course, emergency preparedness. Rising utility prices, bigger interests in camping, and concerns about power outages have all contributed to this one's growth. For online brands, what this really tells you, and pay attention because this is important, is that people are going to be investing a lot more money in products that prepare them for emergencies, are sustainable, and give them energy independence. Your demographics, in order, are probably going to be campers, hikers, van lifers, outdoor enthusiasts in general, but also people who are looking to stay prepared for any power outages, emergencies, the apocalypse, you name it. These are already making around $30,000 per month, which is crazy, given they still have under 100 searches per month. Magnetic charging docks are blowing up because people have too many devices and desk clutter happens fast. Phones, earbuds, smartwatches, tablets, handheld gaming devices. These all require daily charging, so having a space to do that is important to people. Not to mention these are TikTok gold because they have that satisfying, clean, organized look that makes everyone go, ooh, damn, I wish my desk looked like that. The larger trend at play here is around design-forward accessories. Accessories that blend really easily into the decor of your space already. As for demos, you're definitely going to want to market to the Apple ecosystem people because they have multiple devices, generally aged 25 to 50. Also, of course, remote workers, tech enthusiasts, gamers. These are already making over $100,000 every single month, shipping more than 4,600 units per month. Fold-over shorts are trending basically because fashion is cyclical. And that early 2000s style is now coming back in full force through Gen Z on TikTok. The adjustable waistband also appeals to people who are looking for more comfort. For apparel brands, this is a big reminder that you've got to stay on top of these trends if you want to fully take advantage of them. Your demographic is mainly going to be Gen Z women aged 16 to 30 who are heavily influenced by TikTok fashion trends and Y2K fashion. These are already raking in over $38,000 per month, and that is expected to keep rising. Here's a product that's smashing through the charts even though it probably should be a seasonal one. Heated hoodies are riding this big trend wave of products that improve your comfort while reducing dependence on expensive home heating. Battery-powered wearable warmth is especially attractive for commuters, outdoor workers, campers, even people who work from home. It's trending a lot because of the recent improvements with these rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, carbon fiber heating elements, and smart temperature controls. In general, that makes them lighter, safer, and cheaper. This market by itself is growing about 9% annually and set to hit $840 million by 2034. Your main demographics here are going to be outdoor workers, athletes, people in cold climates who want practical, consistent body warmth. So for my friends in Minneapolis, this is for you. These are already raking in over $30,000 per month, and we're not even close to the fall season at the time I'm making this video. Slim toasters are kind of a weird one, but they're riding a wave of minimalist kitchens. So as apartments get more compact, people are prioritizing appliances that save counter space and don't sacrifice functionality. Of course, your main demographic here is going to be apartment dwellers, people who own houses in cities with limited kitchen space. You've also got that artsy, design-conscious crowd who are really interested in minimalist home decor. For targeting, that means anybody who's interested in smeg. I put this one on here because it's literally making over $400,000 per month on Amazon, and it's at that perfect impulse buy rate of about $30. AI planters have these smart sensors that monitor moisture levels, light, and nutrient levels, and what this really doing is reducing the anxiety that goes along with taking care of plants. And remember that that's what you're really selling with many products like this one, is peace of mind. These are a part of this larger e-commerce trend where AI succeeds by lowering the learning cycle for hobbies rather than replacing them. Your main demographic is probably going to be younger millennials or Gen Z who are just starting to get into the plant care space. You've also got tech enthusiasts, coders, programmers, people who really love to be able to quantify everything. These are already raking in $23,000 per month with under 500 searches per month. They're around $60 per unit, which means you'll probably make around $17 $2,000 in profit for every one that you sell. Portable blender bottles are absolutely exploding, and here is why. Protein and creatine supplements have grown off the charts, and there's thousands of options and formulations. Your customers want quick nutrition, whether at the gym, commuting, traveling, and these rechargeable blenders remove the need for these bulky kitchen appliances. These are part of a fast-growing trend of portable kitchen appliances, so keep an eye on those in general. Your target demographic is mainly going to be gym goers, probably some hiking, camping enthusiasts too. If you do sell these, you're going to be joining people who are already making over $315,000 every single month with this product. It sits between that $30 to $50 price point, so for every unit you sell, your profit will probably sit around $10. Next up is a supplement that I never expected to see trending, which is Saffron gummies. It's part of a growing trend wave for organic, natural ingredient-based supplements, specifically ones that help with stress, mood, and emotional well-being. Now, scientific interest in saffron's potential effects on mood has increased in awareness by a lot. For anybody who wants to sell supplements, this is an important lesson because in 2027, people are going to be buying supplements based on proven natural ingredients. And if I were going to be selling supplements in this new year, I would be focusing on liquids and gummies. Your main demographic is going to be stressed out 30 to 60-year-olds who are looking for natural stress and mood support. If I were selling this one, I would set my targeting to larger cities. Despite only about 10,000 people searching for it every month, these are already raking in almost $80,000 per month, and they're priced at that perfect impulse buy rate around $25. You've probably seen videos like this on social media, which is why these pet collar cameras are trending right now. The overall trend that this follows is whimsical as hell, and it's basically just that people want to experience the world through their pet's eyes. Now, as I said, social has amplified this trend like crazy, with these first-person pet videos generating millions of views and encouraging more consumers to purchase similar products. As a reminder for anybody who's looking for new products to sell, first think about how you're going to generate content for that product to generate interest and sales, because products like this sell themselves. You're mainly going to be focusing on millennial and Gen Z pet owners who spend a lot of time on social media, so it's a huge and eager demographic. These are only raking in about $5,000 a month right now, but that demand is just starting to kick off, so make sure you take full advantage of this trend while it's hot. Depuffing wands are trending simply because people want this instant, visible skincare result rather than waiting weeks for long-term improvements. These use cooling metal applicators, vibration tech, and massage features to help reduce temporary puffiness while creating this spa-like experience at home. What it really is, in terms of the trend space and what you need to take away from this one, is this convergence between beauty, self-care, and wellness. These are also great for social media because they give you a clear picture of a before and an after. Your main demographic here is going to be women between age 25 to 50 who are really focused on anti-aging skincare routines. Now, these are already raking in almost $200,000 per month with an average unit price of around $75 and a glowing review score of 4.5 out of 5. Green flags all around. Now, that's all for right now, but if you want more trending products that you can sell to make big profit in 2026 and 2027, just comment below with whatever niche you're looking to sell in, and I'll drop you a trending product totally free. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.